Pre-Built Garages and Additions is a family-owned and operated business for over 25 years. If you can imagine it, we can build it. We have designed and built thousands of enclosures from a one-car garage to a three-car garage with unlimited living space. Our structures are made with the highest quality building materials available at the most affordable prices. Our buildings are panelized in our facility in Branford, enabling us to provide the best quality control. The building is then delivered to you and constructed on-site in a matter of days, both time and cost efficient, making it a win-win situation. We have many references from satisfied customers throughout Connecticut. Call our professional, licensed, and fully insured team for a free, no-obligation quote at 1-800-427-2113.